this, so there will be a instruction like safety off. Then you have to just press this button, disarm, then arm, and automatically it will start rotating. Just a very small control. And the best feature is land automatically. So if I leave it there, and if I leave my drone there and I just press this button C, which is known as return to launch, you can see that the drone is heading towards wherever it has taken off. So it's coming there and it will stay there. It has locked that place and automatically it will come down. So I will ask you to go back a little bit, or the sensor will detect you. And you can see I'm not controlling any controls, and it is actually landing automatically. Hi, this is Soumyaranjan Naik. So you can see this GCS which I am holding. GCS stands for Ground Control Station. So why we call it as ground station? Because you can see we can map it here as well as we can control. We don't require any other device to record or to map. Okay. So we can map very easily over here. So for an example, if I want to map 1 acre of land, I will do nothing. I will just go to the pattern. I will just press spray and automatically one map will come of 1 acre. You can see here it is written 0.99 acres. So I will do nothing. I will just slide and I can just choose my point, and with all little bit of settings I can set my height, I can set how much gap it should maintain, and I will just upload. And the moment I upload, you can see this whole data is going to the brain of our our aircraft basically, which is present inside that. And you can see here the map has been uploaded, and moreover you will have an access of camera where you can visualize whatever is happening in front of you if the camera is not under our FOB. Okay. And this is a hexacopter. As you can see, this is a hexacopter. It is having 6 blades, 6 rotors attached to it. And speciality about this bot is it carries 10 liters and it covers 1 acre in 7 minutes. And this bird name is Agribot. It is designed by Iotechworld Avigation Private Limited, which is Gurgaon based company. And each motor and each rotor is providing me 8 kg of thrust. So you can see like it is giving 48 kg, and we are carrying just and the total takeoff weight of this aircraft is 24 kg. So there is no load on the motor while flying or while commencing any kind of mission. And and you can see there are 2 sensors attached to in front and back. These 2 sensors are known as obstacle avoidance sensor. So what happens during our auto mission? If any plant comes in front of the drone, from 20 meters it will detect that obstacle, and in 5 meters it will react, and by taking the shortest part it will avoid and it will continue its mission. And similarly there is another sensor attached at the down part known as terrain sensor. So what it does, it maintains the same height. As we know, like in Indian agriculture, the plant size is less, somewhere it is more. So it will maintain the height. That's why it's known as terrain following sensor. With payload, with payload, it will fly 16 minutes, and without payload, it will fly up to 35 minutes.
So, and how long does it take to charge?
And it takes around 35 minutes. And one more point I want to add, 35 minutes it will charge, the battery will get charged. One more point I want to add is it is a multi-purpose drone. Even this same drone, you can use it for the crop monitoring. Yeah, but you have to just attach a sensor known as multispectral sensor, which will tell you about the health, what is the health. And when I say it is a multi-purpose drone, you can use it for the cargo delivery also. You can carry, and this bird flies automatically. And it costs around 8.5 lakhs, in which they provide the pilot license and much more sales sales information, if you want, you can just visit Iotechworld Avigation Private Limited, which is a Gurgaon based company.
Okay. So
Yes.
you also
Pre-arm,
pilot
hardware
training and
safety
pilot license
switch.
fees and all is including in.
Yes, it is included in that, and basically we all engineers. Actually, I'm a senior engineer over in Iotechworld Private Limited. So our team has designed this. So this is the only DGCA Direct General of Civil Aviation approved and QCI approval drone in India. There's no other drone in India which are approved by this.
Does it also include the multispectral
Yes,
sensor?
yes.
Okay.
If you want that sensor, it will be a different, the purpose will change. Now it is for spraying. Then if you are attaching that multispectral sensor, it will work as a survey drone.
Okay.
And if you are changing that payload and you are adding another payload, for an example, I will say cargo, so it will become a cargo drone. So according to the
The weight of the cargo maximum.
the maximum weight of the cargo, it will be 15 kg. It can carry. Actually, this bird can carry up to 25 kg, but according to DGCA rules, we cannot cross more than 25. Like you have to fall in between 2 kg to 25 kg. That is a small category.
So how long have you been operational?
From 2017 it started, and in 2019 we got our first approval from DGCA, and right now more than 200 drones has been sold in all over India, and it's flying in all over India. Like 200 drones are flying, and we are actually in export
What
mode.
are they using those drones as?
So most of them they are using for most in the sense, in out of 200, like 160 they are using for spraying, and rest of the 40 guys they are using for survey.
So
Yes.
delivery has not started.
Delivery, if it is required, we can use it. It has been already tested with Indian Army, but yes, no one has chosen for delivery. Yes.
Pre-arm, hardware safety switch.
Welcome.